Hi, my name is Maribel from Learning in Wonderland. I am popping by to show you how to put together these ornaments. I shared on my Instagram stories. I had a lot of questions about how to put them together, so I'm going to walk you through the steps of putting them together here. I suggest doing this on a solid white background, taking the pictures on for them. The more contrast you have between your images, your pictures, and or the person in the picture and the background, the better the results are going to be and the quicker it's going to be for you. So this one is it's taken of me. Just a quick little picture that I took through Snapchat. And my background is on my wall, and it's not like a true white, so it's going to be a little trickier doing it here. I just use the whiteboard, and that works perfectly. So first of all, we're going to remove that background back here just to make it look nice and smooth. So I'm going to hit this remove background tool up here. And I don't think it activated it. There you go. So you're going to go ahead and just drag this out so it recognizes everything you want it to recognize. Okay, and from the whiteboard background, this will all be correctly selected, but because I'm doing it on my wall that's not true white and my lighting's not that great, it's kind of deleting areas that I don't want it to delete. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this tool to go ahead and add some light back in here, or to select some areas back on here, and you'll just go ahead and drag into the picture. I don't really understand why or how that works, but it just does. Click there. I need one little section here, and this tiny sliver of a section here. Yeah, the problem was that these ears are like the same color as my wall, so it's not recognizing where they are, but these little lines for some reason just make it pop out again. So that's good enough for me right there. I'll go ahead and push the return key or enter, and then you have a true white background. So from here, you're going to want to make this into a circle. So I'm going to go up on top here, and I'm going to mask it to a circle shape. But as you can see, it's an oval because the original picture is an oval. So I'm going to right click over here, and I'm going to hit format picture. Let me drag this over for you. And I'm going to go to crop. And here I'm only putting 5 just because it gives me enough space for me to really play with the picture, but the final result won't be 5 inches. So I'll go here, and now I'm going to hit crop here up on top. And by the way, I am using PowerPoint 2011. And any PowerPoint should be able to do this, but your options might be hidden somewhere else. So I'll drag it right about there. Exit out of it. Now I want the circle to show up so that I can go ahead and cut it out. So I'll click on that again. I'll hit border up here and select black. And there you go. Now the last thing is you need it to be the right size. You'll have to measure your ornament. Mine are from Hobby Lobby, and they measure 3.15 inches so in diameter. So I went ahead and chose to make mine 3 inches, and that seemed to work fine. There you go. And now I'm going to go ahead and drag this over here, and I already, to just save me time, I already had this selected, so I'm just going to go and drag it over here and just put my name in there and position it where I want it to be. And you can make the text as big or small as you want. And that's pretty much it. When you are cutting, you're just going to go ahead and cut just freehand 2 little bars right here, and I'll show you how to do that in the next step.